y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And today I am going to be sharing with you how to make my candy cane cookies. How did I come up with this recipe? Well, you remember that chocolate pie I made for my work party baking share last year? Yeah, so it was time to do that again. And I was like, oh, let me do something different. Let's experiment, get a little creative. You guys have seen me use candy canes in the past, or peppermint extract to give that extra holiday cheer to your treats. Holiday cheer to your treats. So if you want to see how to do that, just keep watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.
First thing you're going to do is take a half a cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of regular sugar into a mixing bowl. Add in your melted coconut oil, and with a hand mixer, combine the ingredients. So it doesn't quite fluff up like it would with vegan butter, but that's okay. Still go in with your quarter cup of plant-based milk and a little bit of vanilla extract. So at this point, it's going to look like the ingredients are starting to separate, but this is kind of one of those trust the process recipes, so don't give up. Then we're going to sift in our cocoa powder, so you can see it going in there. And I just want to go ahead and give a disclaimer now. You will need some elbow grease to make sure these ingredients are well combined. But like I said, don't give up and trust the process. Sifting in a half a cup of flour, a half a cup at a time. So again, mixing all of the ingredients, and you can start to see the dough forming at this point. Going in with the rest of our dry ingredients, so that remaining cup or half a cup of flour, and then some baking soda and salt off camera. Again, mixing this all together before we add in our chocolate chunks. And then I am going to roll out the dough after I mix it all together, then press down and add my crushed candy canes on top. Bake at 350 for about 10 minutes, allow them to cool, and serve. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.